Listen carefully, my son, for we shall never speak again. If you hear me now, then you have made use of the only means left to you, the crystal source through which our communication was begun. The circle is now complete. You have made a dreadful mistake, Kal-El. You did this of your own free will, in spite of all I could say to dissuade you. Now you've returned to me for one last chance to redeem yourself. This too. Finally, I've anticipated my son. Look at me, Kal-El. Once before, when you were small, I died while giving you a chance for life. And now, even though it will exhaust the final energy left within me, look at me, Kal-El. The Kryptonian prophecy will be at last fulfilled. The son becomes the father becomes the son. Farewell forever, Kal-El. Remember me, my son.